Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn the new poem. The name of the poem is The Spinning Sage. Have you ever seen a sage? Where you have seen the sage? You might have seen sage in picture, movie, or in Cartoon Network channel. In Chota Bheem serial, you might have seen sage. Describe him or her in 2 or 3 lines. Actually, sage is generally a wise person and shows right path to the people. Today we are going to learn the poem which is about sage. Just I told you sage means what? A very wise person. Let's see what is given in the poem. There lived a sage in days of yore. Days of yore means long, long ago. And he a handsome pigtail wore. The meaning of this two lines is long, long ago there lived a sage and he had a beautiful pigtail, but wondered much and sorrowed more because it hung behind him. Pigtail, you understood what is the pigtail? This is a pigtail of this sage. This is a sage. Pigtail means hair tied together into a bunch and twisted into plaits. It is a pigtail, okay? And this sage was wondered. Wonder means was thinking very much. And sorrowed more. Sorrow means what? Very unhappy. Because it hung behind him. This sage wondered much about his pigtails position and was worried more as it hung behind him. What is the position of pigtail? Pigtail is behind of him. And he was worrying about this position. He wanted that his pigtail should come front. And he was thinking more and more about his pigtail which was hung behind him. He mused upon this curious case. Mused means he think lot and lot thought. He thought carefully upon this curious case. He is thinking that this is a pigtail, having pigtail behind is really a curious thing. And sore he'd changed the pigtail's place. Sore means he took a vow and he decided to change the pigtail's place. He thought about this curious case and promised that, means vowed means here promised that he would change the position of the pigtail and have it hanging at his face, not dangling there behind him. He would like to have it at his face and not swinging loosely behind him. The meaning of these two lines is he would like to have his pigtail at his face. Actually, it is behind him. He wanted to bring the pigtail at his face. Not dangling. Dangling means what? Hanging or swinging freely. He did not want that his pigtail to move freely. He says, the mystery I have found, I will turn me round. He turned him round, but still it hung behind him. This sage decided to solve his problem. What he did to solve his problem? The sage tried to bring his pigtail to the front by moving himself. He turned round. The sage insists that he has found a solution to change the position of his pigtail. He said that he would turn him round, and so he turned him round, but still it hung steadily throughout the day. He turned round, moved round, but the pigtail remained at the same position. Then round and out and in. All day the puzzled sage did spin. In vain, it mattered not a pin, the pigtail hung behind him. Here the sage is in puzzle. Puzzle means confused. The sage is very confused. This confused sage turned round and round, out and in, continuously throughout the day to solve the problem of pigtail. Let's see the next stanza. And right and left and round about and up and down and in and out he turned, but still the pigtail stout hung steadily behind him. Here's meaning of stout means strong and thick. Even though he turned continuously, this you know that the sage turned continuously throughout the day, whole day it turned continuously. But the pigtail still hangs firmly behind him. He turned to his right and left, round about again and again. He turned up and down, in and out. This true stanza describes the moment the sage made in his struggle to move the pigtail. The sage tried to move his pigtail, wanted to bring pigtail to his face. And for that, he did various movements. To make his pigtail move to the sage, turn round and round, then out and in, then he turned right and left and round, about, up and down, in and out. Finally, he twisted, twirled in his effort to move the pigtail. Dear children, can you tell me why did the pigtail not move? How is it possible the pigtail did not move? Because it was hair growing out of the sage's head, which cannot be moved. Is it possible to move hair? You can move pigtail, but you cannot bring whole pigtail from the root to the front. It is not possible. This poem whole describes that how the sage tried to solve his problem. Dear children, tell me, is it a serious problem? No, not at all. It's not a serious problem that having pigtail behind. It's not a serious problem here. But the sage, this wise sage is trying to bring the pigtail front. Now this last stanza of this poem. And though his efforts never slack. Slack means without attention and energy. And though he twist and twirl and tack. Twirl and twist means turn the body quickly and change direction. For example, this pencil, I am twisting the pencil like this. In this way. Twist. And twirl means move round and round. And tack means move in zigzag way. This last stanza tells us that though his efforts, whatever efforts he took, were not slackened. Slacken means without attention or any energy. And though he twisted and twirled and tucked. Here in this poem, the poet expresses sorrow in a humorous way and says that though he tried his best to change the position of his pigtail, it remained faithfully behind him. Finally, he said that his pigtail is a faithful. Faithful means what? Staying with you. It's faithful. Here the meaning is not a actual faithful here. Here meaning is staying with the sage. So in this poem, the sage is upset because his pigtail hung behind him. So that's why he is very, very upset. And to change the position, he spin all day. He spin continuously all day to change the position of his pigtail. He tried to find a solution. He thought that if he turned round and round, he can change the position of his pigtail, but it's an illogical behavior of this sage and creates the humor throughout the poem. It's not a possible here. So what you learn through this poem, is this sage wise? No, not at all. This behavior of the sage shows the foolishness. Actually, the sage is generally a wise person, but the sage which is described here in this poem is very foolish. The illogical behavior of the sage shows total foolishness. And what we learn through this poem? What is the theme of the poem? The theme of the poem is when men are too learned or too wise, they lose the sight of reality. Sages are considered more wise or wise person. The irony of the poem is that the sage shows total foolishness. Did you like this poem?